A Husqvarna 325L X Series E-Tech. No crank issue. Let's see what's up. Looks like we have compression. That might have been a little bit hard to see, but it has spark. Next, I'll take a look at the fuel lines. These here are very brittle and hard. The condition of the fuel lines will often represent the condition of this carburetor we're getting ready to look at. Take this off. Oh, and there's no air filter. Pull the 3 bolts holding the top cover on. Let's get it off. That leaves us here. Looks like another bolt. Dropping down to these 2, notice that's broke, so all right. We'll pull these out. On these, be careful because the throttle cable is directed through here, so make sure you clear that before pulling it off. Once that's off, throttle cable. From the looks of this and everything gummed up, I'm going to take this carburetor off, stuff a rag in so nothing gets in there, clean all this up real good, then we'll get in this carburetor.